Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Since the weather is starting to cool off quite a bit, the temperatures here are getting down into the 40s on some nights, so I thought this would be a good time to go out and start the fire pit area in my backyard. The first thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to build some chairs to go in that specific area. I went online and did a lot of research to see exactly what kind of chairs I wanted, and I came across some Adirondack chairs. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. I came across those and I really like the way they look, so I decided that I'm gonna build a few of those. So this weekend I went over to my parents' house and I took my camera along with me, and me and my dad went out and built one. So here's the process of that. All right, so now I want to show you the area that I'm going to be putting the fire pit in and the end result of the chair. The chair's been stained, and I do like this stain color. I like how it makes the flaws in the wood stand out, so I think these will look great in this area. Now, the area that I'm going to be putting the fire pit in, I have a few tree stumps right now. Now, these are mostly rotted out, so what I'm going to do is these 3 stumps right here are going to be in the fire pit, but this stump right here is going to be outside the fire pit in the seating area. So I need to go in, and I've already dug it out, so now I just need to go in and burn it out, and it shouldn't take too long because it's a pretty old stump, so it shouldn't take too long at all to burn out. And then I'm going to be putting the fire pit over these 3 stumps so that these will burn out as well. And then around the fire pit, I'm going to be using gravel, the same gravel that I have over by my patio area. So I have 2 of the chairs built, and I have 1 more I still have to build. I need to go to Lowe's and get more materials to build that 3rd one. And then I also ran out of stain, so I need to go and get more stain as well. So in part 2 of the fire pit area, I'll be building the actual fire pit, and I will be putting in the gravel around it. And then I'll have the other 2 chairs out so you can see all 3 of them in that area together. Oh, and before I go, I just wanted to let you all know, I found out today that this back section of my wooded lot, it'll go from over here, and then all of this back on this back section is getting cleaned up and cleared out this week. I've been waiting for 3 years for this to happen, and it's finally happening. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.